Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build my first Gabby's DollHouse set, Mermaid Gabby's Aquarium Adventure. I'm watching a lot of Gabby's DollHouse these days, but there are so many seasons. I think there are like 13 seasons now, and I'm watching like the 6th season or something. It's really taking me a long time. Anyway, there are two bags, the two guidebooks, and 3 bags of Lego, but there's also a small one, so I guess I could say like 4 bags of Lego. Anyway, those are the things that's inside. And so first, we're gonna build Gabby, and this is the first mermaid body I have, and her hair color is very interesting. You know, like when she pinches her ear, like in her hairband, her hair color sort of like changes. I think she looks so cute. So this is my first Gabby, and this is actually I watched Gabby's DollHouse in French, but this cat's name was like Marine, so I guess her name is Marine in English. And we also have a octopus cat. Maybe it's catopus, I don't know. You know, they sort of like mix everything, you know. They make them into cats. Anyway, so these are the dolls inside. And now we're going to build Gabby's aquarium. Yes. Oh, this looks very nice. You know, this is like Gabby's DollHouse movie set, so I don't really know if Gabby's DollHouse's movie is also in Netflix. But is Gabby's DollHouse like Netflix original? I don't really know. I think it was like Netflix original, but I'm not so sure if there's also Gabby's movie. But anyway, this one looks so cute, right? We have so many cats hidden in this. It's not a sticker actually, it's printed on the Lego, but I think it looks so cute. And we're sort of like making a cat face now, and we have like blue ears. Looks so cute, right? My favorite character in Gabby's DollHouse is the cupcake one. So yeah, I don't really know her English name. I think it was like Cakey or something, like Cakey Bakey or something. Yeah, the cupcake one looks so cute, and I also like Marine. I think those two are my favorite cat characters from Gabby. So we're putting like bright yellow these sea creatures now. Looks so cute, right? So we sort of like made the middle part, and we're going to make the right part and the left part. Yeah, okay, so this one we have a little slide, which is very cute. Yep, so like this, and we're going to put some slides. There's also gonna be a green one and also the blue. So like this. It's the first time I think I have like those blue slides. I did have like really light blue slides, but not a little bit like sky blue. So that one is like sky blue, and the one that I had in like Lego Friends set, that was like really light blue. So I think that this is like my first sky blue colored slide, and this one is really nice. We're going to make sort of like a bubble, because you know Marine sometimes moves around inside bubbles, kind of like Glinda. So just like the one that we made for Glinda, that one was a bit more bigger. This one's a bit more smaller, but it's almost similar actually. And oh, these colors looks so pretty, right? I love those like yellow colored sea creatures look so cute, and those fishes inside Marine's bubble look so fancy. There you go. So we also have a small treasure chest, and these are all the sets inside. And you know what, it's really interesting because Lego is so good at making minifigures. You know, like look at Marine, she looks exactly like Marine in the animation. And you know, also for like Lego Dreams, I also love Lego Dreams animations, and the characters are so identical. Like the detail is so amazing because it looks just like the one that's in the animation. But that one is a Lego animation and Lego, so I kind of understand. But you know, Gabby's Dollhouse, like the original, doesn't have anything to do with Lego, but it's interesting that they made it exactly like the character. Okay, so now let's start playing with this set. So Gabby and Marine, they're relaxing in the aquarium, and like Gabby decides to put her heart inside the treasure chest, like, cause that heart thingy kind of looks like a treasure. So let's put this thing inside. There you go. Now it's very safe because it's now inside the treasure chest, and oh, this looks very nice. Okay, so kind of like this, and it's gonna look as if Marine is inside like a bubble. Let's play in the slide. Good idea. It's kind of funny the way they're walking, like the way they twist their like fin, like their legs, mermaid legs. But I guess they had to make it like that because so that they would be able to stand. But it kind of looks funny the way their leg is like twisted. And I just love that Lego print, the one that has a lot of like these cats hidden on it. Let's look for cats, Gabby. Oh yeah, good idea. Sea cats. Sea cats? Over here, let's see. Oh, I see a lot of sea cats. That one kind of looks interesting. Is that supposed to be a seahorse, or what is that? Is that an octopus? No, it kind of looks like a seahorse, but its head is kind of big. And it's like this whole cat face is cute too, like the blue cat ears, and yeah, and that one does look kind of big, like so big. And like there's also a little cat hidden over here, as you can see. And oh, well, I'm not so sure what this is. And this is also like a cat sea snail, and a cat mermaid in the middle, just like you, Marine. You know what, Gabby? I think it's time for me to take a nap. Yeah, good idea. Naps are good. Oh, that's where you're gonna sleep. Yeah, oh, it looks cozy. Yeah, it's the perfect place for me because it fits perfectly and no one can actually see me very easily. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see you. I mean, I do see you, but it doesn't, you know, like not the whole you, just like your body a little bit. Yeah, I'm kind of bored right now because I don't have so many things to do. Like everything is so small for me. I mean, your bubble is small, and that the middle part, it's not it's too short for me. I can't go inside. All I can do is ride the slide. Shoo! Oh, that was nice. I think I should put my no, like take my heart back. There you go. Oh, looks nice. Are you gonna sleep, Marine? I think I should wake up now. Yeah, good idea. What should we do now? How about hide and seek? Cause that's what Gabby does often with Pandy. But there's no Pandy, so let's do it with Marine. Okay, let's see. Oh, where is she? Oh, here you are. Oh, that was pretty quick. Yeah, I know it's actually quite easy. But it was actually a nice hiding place, you know, because there's not a lot of places to hide, but that place was actually quite nice. Are you going back to napping, Marine? Yeah, sure. I think I need to sleep. Yeah, I think I should sleep too, but I don't have like a private place like you because I'm too big. So I'm just gonna sleep next to your bubble because this place seems kind of cozy, and this cat octopus thing is also going to sleep. So now they're all sleeping safe and sound. And this is the end of the video. Bye bye.